We're gonna show you guys this car right now. We're just changing the plates, so it looks much better. It does make a big difference actually when these RDB plates are on the car. You guys can shop for them online, or you guys can come straight to the store actually. We have some here for sale at a very reasonable price. Can somebody give me a Phillips? Fuck, man.
What's wrong?
Joe's making me work hard.
Really?
You gotta put the license plate on.
You know that's the wrong screwdriver.
Yeah.
This fucking dope.
So we have this amazing wrap. You guys don't see this every time. It's called Rugged Bedrock Gray. And you guys don't see this material every time. This is a very unique material that the customer wanted actually. She chose this color. She wanted it done. She actually preferred black, but black wasn't available, so we did do this gray. I think it looks better because the car already has black on it, so two-tone looks really good. And the hinges on this car were all white, so as you guys can see, we did do black as well. Also, she wanted to keep this a little stock. So stock meaning she didn't want to change the wheels. She wanted to leave some of the Jeep stuff stock, so she likes that look. That's what we did. It suits Jeeps, it suits trucks, I think. This is like a really good material for trucks and Jeeps all day long, I think. Enjoy it, beautiful. Good job, RDB. One unique thing that we didn't talk about, you guys, is the job that we did on the door jambs. Now, the material on this car, it is pretty difficult to do door jambs. It's not like a regular material, so it's really hard to work with. But as you guys can see, all the door jambs are done perfectly. Looks amazing.
You know what this is?
Yeah. Rugged Bedrock
Yeah,
Gray.
but did you tell them it looks like Rhino Liner? You know
No.
when they spray the beds and stuff. See, you're supposed to.
You know,
Did you know they wrap the inside like bars too?
They weren't.
all wrapped?
Yeah, that's a bonus, I guess. You got
So if
lucky
you
with
take
that.
this off, this
messed
is
up.
all wrapped.
Yeah, nobody told them to do that, but they did it. Which
I don't even know anything about this car. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Did you know this is a hybrid Jeep?
no.
It's also a hybrid Jeep. Look, check this
Yeah,
out.
Vic's,
It's on the other side. That's a charger for the car because it's a hybrid Jeep.
What? I didn't even know.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
hybrid.
neither did I. Yeah. But other than that, this thing looks amazing. Everything else looks beautiful on this car. All the door jambs are done. It looks really nice, actually, man. Look at, you guys can't even tell. It looks exactly like paint. Big fan of this wrap, actually.
All right, folks, we are in this wide-body Rolls-Royce Cullinan. This is the full Novatech wide-body kit. This car has a story. We like to show what happens when you take this vehicles of this caliber and this type of work, places that should not be doing this kind of work. I'm not trying to bury anybody on their bus, so I'm not going to name names. I've already said it's based out of Miami. It's one of the bigger names out of Miami. They sell a lot of wheels, basically featured on one of their channels. So this car came all the way to California and it was sold to a client of ours, a great guy, owner of Built, that clothing line with the Y, B-Y-L-T. And he's got several colors. He has a wide body Urus now and all kinds of stuff. But this is a big boy car. And sadly, he got the car. He didn't really see it, didn't look at it. He sent it over for a clear bra. And upon receiving the car for the clear bra, we noticed all the issues with it, which were tremendous. I mean, the front bumper was almost falling off. The front fender gaps were, one of my fingers could fit through the fender gap. That's how bad it was. The color of the paint, which is burnout gray, obviously, was completely different than the car. Any of the accents they painted black were all messed up and oversprayed and just not buffed, not done right. There was paint peeling, bubbling on the front bumper. The alignment of the pieces completely wrong. 25 series tires that were rubbing against the wheel wells really bad, made a lot of noise. Just an insane amount of issues on a very high priced vehicle. The cool thing is whoever sold him the car actually paid to fix the damages. And when I mean fix it, we literally had to do double work. We could have literally got another Novatech kit and done less work, put it that way. However, we took everything off and we fixed everything, which basically was custom fabricating all the pieces to fit better. Luis did all that crazy Bondo squeezing, all that stuff to tighten up the lines. One of the rocker moldings actually were toast. They were destroyed, they were warped. It was like a seesaw. Our good friends at 1016 Industries have a wide body Cullinan. I asked him to do me a favor and send me one rocker panel. The rocker panel piece obviously is not exactly the same match as Novatech. Marvin and Luis worked on the rocker panel and literally designed the rocker panel to make it look like Novatech. You cannot even tell it's 100% same. So literally painted the whole car again. Everything matches perfectly. The panels are right where we like them, and the car drives great because we also modified the wheel liner. There's absolutely zero rubbing on the 26s now, zero. When you do the long U-turns, when you do parking, no rubbing. 26-inch custom wheels. They're actually a two-piece 26-inch wheel, super concave, and they look great. So hope you guys enjoy the build. I know I talked a lot, but this car was a lot of work for my team, and we're super proud of it, and it looks really, really sick right now. So hope you guys like it.
Hey, is your name Zumi?
No, I wish.
What's your name?
Name.
All right, so as you guys know, we are on our way with a big project on this car. This was the Lamborghini that had obviously spray paint all over the place. Javier has been doing an excellent job on this car for the last 2 days. So he did take everything off the car. As you guys can see, this is the brand new kit, completely all new kit. Front, fenders, we have basically everything, quarter panel, just the whole thing. You guys can look at the whole car. This is all being done. We're test fitting it right now. So we want to test fit it to make sure. We are going to need to do work, of course. It's just not going to be perfect just putting it on like this. But we're test fitting it. Everything looks pretty good, actually. This thing is going to look so nice. I mean, it's just going to be a completely different Aventador when it's done. Look at this. It's nuts. You know, it looks good. Here's the rear bumper, too. Wow. It's going to look crazy when it's all done, you guys. This one is going to be very nice. We're on our way to make this thing perfect. It's gonna look really nice when it's
Ooh,
done.
Papa, this is gonna be beautiful.
Ooh, Papa! We're showing you guys some real cool stuff right now. Look how nice this thing's gonna look when it's done. I like it.
Without fix anything now. It's beautiful.
Oh, Papa!
Hey, don't follow me, man. I'm gonna kick your candy.
Yes. What did you have for lunch today? I'm gonna find out what you had for lunch without you even saying anything. I didn't even see you eat. What did you spill here?
Maybe I can order the same food you have.
What did you spill? Look at it.
Damn.
Oh! Santos, let me see if he wants to do a drain and refill.
I told him. He said no. He wants to do it legit.
Zumi, got bad news.
What's up?
I have to order the filter from the dealer. They don't have another part number for it, so
Oh.
we'll order it tomorrow. Hopefully we get it tomorrow afternoon.
Alright, we can do it next week.
And then, yeah, probably not even, no, this week. We'll do it this week.
I
Tomorrow
like how
morning.
he's sitting like he's a customer.
Thank you
Okay,
so much,
so-
Moses.
Yeah, let's
Guys, you gotta come to RDB. Best service.
But they don't have anything.
We don't have anything. It's just that it is an Aston Martin. It's not like they have inventory like lying around everywhere. So you got to get the filter from the dealership. So
Cool.
that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do it the right way. We're gonna get Zumi's oil filter from the dealer, and then after we have it here, we'll do the oil change and we're done.
Well, Vic and Mono don't even know that I'm getting an oil change right now.
I look at it this way: if an employee can't do their service at work, I mean, where are they gonna do it? There most of the time, from so
There's
it's like
got to be perks with the job, right? Like
Yeah.
if you work at McDonald's, you get
Well,
to eat a French fry here or
you
there.
should.
I'll
Well,
eat.
McDonald's is different because when you're done with your shift, you can go eat anywhere. But if you're in the automotive field and you need an oil change after you're out, everywhere's closed.
If I go somewhere else, I'd be like a trader almost, right? Why would I not get it done here?
Oh, Zumi's doing oil change?
Shit, you can't even get an oil change, huh?
Nah, I take my car to the dealer. I get free oil change. I
Oh,
pay
you
for
do?
it. Yeah, I do pay for it.
How much would it cost?
I got like the brakes and everything. I pay for it.
What's up? This car is done. Front lip was broken, so we just did a quick repair on this thing, and we're gonna take it outside. Customer should be here any minute.
So what are we doing here, Sarkis?
We're just gonna drink alcohol.
It's your first time drinking alcohol?
Yeah.
So Sarkis' first drink on the podcast this week.